Hi everybody. I hope you're having a great day out there today. I am trying to get back into the swing of things. We have had a rough couple years, and once things start going downhill, you kind of stop everything that you're doing because family comes first. Okay, so that's what I've been dealing with over the past couple years. The project I'm working on right now is I did these paper piecing. It's been a while. My mom actually helped me do these, and I wanted to make her something with it, but unfortunately, she passed away in 21. So what I thought I would do, and I think it would be nice, is my brother and sister, I was going to make them something from it because this was probably the last project she ever worked on. Okay, so what we did was I took a pair of her jeans and cut them up, and I put her paper piecing on it, and you can watch that here. And then what I did was first I went to my embroidery machine, and on the back of the jean, I put Love Mom on it. I thought it would be really nice for them just to have a remembrance of her. While she, during that time before she passed away, my special needs son was in and out of the hospital a lot. And it was really hard trying to get a grasp on what was going on with him and dealing with everything else. And so while I was in the hospital, I was sewing all of these paper piecing things together to get these little flowers. And what I'm going to do is I went ahead and I've sewn the sides together, and I have to sew up this part so that it'll just be like, a little mug rug, or, just a remembrance of my mom. Okay. My son is doing much better, so that's been a good sign. So hopefully I can get back into making videos and getting back to my Panavision, because I do have a quilt on my long arm. Unfortunately, I lost my sister last year, my younger sister, so it's been a tidal wave of stuff that has come through, and many of you I know have gone through this, where once all that stuff happens, you don't have the desire to do anything. Okay, you just try and get through each day, and do those kind of things, and you know, you go through the motions of getting through the day. And you know, we spent a lot of time in the hospital with my son, and you know, and then having to, you know, deal with the other families and stuff like that, and you know, losing my mom and my sister. It's been rough. But on the flip side of that, I told myself, I've got to start doing something to get my mind off of everything. So I finally got back into my sewing and quilting room, and I'm going to start getting some more videos out. So please, I hope you all be patient with me while I get through this. Excuse me. And hopefully I can start posting videos at least the beginning of next month. I can start getting them out there, because I know there was a lot of video requests of what people wanted to see. And if you have any video requests, put them down in the comments. And I really appreciate those of you guys that have stuck around. Okay, I know I haven't posted in about a year, but I'm going to get back to it, and hopefully I can start getting all my projects done again. But I think my siblings will really like this, just to have a remembrance. And it is the first project that I've actually sewn since all of this stuff has happened. So hang tight, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, take care.